folks. Today we're going to take a closer look at the all-new 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, and let me tell you, this electric vehicle is a game-changer. From its bold, futuristic design to its impressive performance and capability, the Cybertruck is poised to redefine the pickup truck segment. The first thing you'll notice about the Cybertruck is its striking, angular appearance. This isn't your typical truck design, it's a bold, cutting-edge take on the pickup truck concept. The exoskeleton-like body panels are made from ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, making the Cybertruck incredibly durable and resistant to dents and scratches. The front end features a sleek, futuristic design with distinctive LED headlights and a minimalist grille. The side profile is dominated by the sharp, angular lines and the large, imposing wheel arches that give the Cybertruck a powerful, yet elegant look. And let's talk about the size. This thing is massive. With a length of over 19 feet and a width of over 7 feet, the Cybertruck is a true heavyweight in the pickup truck segment. Step inside the Cybertruck, and you'll be greeted by a spacious, modern interior that's packed with the latest technology. The first thing you'll notice is the massive, 17-inch touchscreen display that serves as the central command center for the vehicle. The dashboard and instrument panel have a minimalist, clean design, with only the essential controls and information displayed. The seats are spacious and comfortable, with a variety of adjustments and settings to ensure a personalized driving experience. But the Cybertruck isn't just about looks, it's also packed with cutting-edge technology. The vehicle comes equipped with Tesla's latest autonomous driving features, including full self-driving capabilities, advanced collision avoidance systems, and over-the-air software updates to keep the Cybertruck at the forefront of technology. Performance and capability under the hood, the Cybertruck packs a serious punch. Depending on the configuration, the vehicle can be equipped with up to 3 electric motors, delivering a combined output of up to 800 horsepower and an impressive 1,000 lb-ft of torque. This translates to a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.9 seconds, making the Cybertruck one of the quickest pickup trucks on the market. But the Cybertruck isn't just about speed, it's also incredibly capable. With a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds and a payload capacity of up to 3,500 pounds, the Cybertruck can handle even the toughest jobs with ease. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is a true game-changer in the pickup truck segment. With its bold, futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance and capability, this electric vehicle is poised to redefine the way we think about pickup trucks. If you're in the market for a new truck, the Cybertruck is definitely one to keep an eye on. Stay tuned for more updates and information on this exciting new addition to the Tesla lineup.